Again tonight in Abuja, where the Federal High Court has granted the former governor of Kogi State, Yahaya Bello, bail in the sum of 500 million naira with two sureties and like sum. Justice Emeka Nwete had granted him bail after he had pleaded not guilty to the 19-count charge of alleged money laundering to the tune of 80 billion naira brought against him by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission. Celestina Area reports.
At today's proceedings, counsel to the EFCC, Kemi Pinero, senior advocate of Nigeria, had an application for Mr. Bello to take his plea. Mr. Bello pleaded not guilty to the charges. Shortly after, Joseph Daudu, counsel to Yahaya Bello, apologized to the court for any impression that may have been created by Mr. Bello that he did not want to appear in court. He says Mr. Bello was challenging the jurisdiction of the court and it was not a willful disrespect to the court. While moving an application for bail, he assured that the former governor would always be present in court for the trial. I'm saying this with the highest sense of responsibility that the defendant, a two-term governor of Kogi State who traveled only twice out of his 8 years in service, will always be present in court at all times. Prosecuting counsel Kemi Pinero-san acknowledged that Rule 26 of the Rules of Professional Conduct that counsel to the defendant, who has given the assurances that the defendant will be available for his trial, subject to the discretionary terms imposed by the court. Mr. Pinero noted that though he had filed a counter affidavit, he would not oppose the bail, going by the assurances of Mr. Bello's lawyer. Following on the bail application, Justice Nwete granted him bail in the sum of 500 million naira with two sureties. The sureties must be landed property owners within the jurisdiction of the court. They must swear to an affidavit of means. The title deeds of the property must be verified by the court registrar. Mr. Bello was also asked to submit his international passport while he would remain in Kuje Correctional Center pending the perfection of the bail conditions. Celestina Area, TVC News, Abuja.